Hi, I'm Roxanne, and in this video I'm going to show you how versatile one pair of pants can be. You know how jeans are versatile? You can dress them up, dress them down. Well, these pants are an alternative to jeans. I find them really comfortable. They're darker. Now, they don't show as much wear. They are just easy to care for and, most importantly, like I said, comfortable. I'm going to show you a range of very casual, a little more fancy, and then back to casual again in different ways with different shoes. All the links will be below as to the brands, but I'm not showing you details on jewelry or accessories. That's very personalized, and that's not the point of this video. The point is to show you how you can mix different outfits and looks with one pair of pants. My hope is that you'll be able to watch this video and think, oh, I have something similar. I can put that together. Or I have almost everything in that outfit. I just need to go get this one thing to make it complete. And hopefully that will give you ideas for new ways to wear what you already have. I really think that shoes can make or break an outfit. And I'm bringing to you the latest types of shoes that are trending and also very helpful for the environment, and also come in a large variety of sizes. And these are really good companies to support, and they have a good return policy if you get something that doesn't quite fit right. And they offer a huge selection of different styles and colors. And I hope that I can turn you on to these companies. I would like everybody to support them. And like I said, the link will be below. So let's get started. I hope everyone has a nice, clean, crisp white blouse in their closet. You can do so many things with it. I chose to pair it with a windbreaker and trending white lace-up sneakers, which are, by the way, these in particular are made out of plants. How cool is that? Easy. Casual, on to the next. All right, let's see. Be right back with my periwinkle light blue Peter Pan collar sleeveless blouse paired with a boxy short jacket, which you can lay over, leave the blouse out if you like, or tuck it in, and take on a ballet slipper. These are pointed toes, but it looks like a 1950s outfit, doesn't it? Slim pants, black flats, short jacket with a Peter Pan collar. Now we're going to fancy it up a bit. And this blouse, it looks very delicate and satiny, but you can actually put it in the washer and dryer. So I like this brand. I will put that down below as well. And I'm mixing it with a pair of high-heeled booties, which are the most comfortable boots ever. And I'm putting it with a tailored jacket. And look at how fancy it becomes. Ready for evening and very comfortable. These shoes are from Naturalizers. I have a couple pair. All right, we'll move from the evening to something more casual. A white turtleneck bodysuit. And I'm going to take off my fancy boots and put on like another ballet slipper, kind of a Chanel look with that black toe. I like how it picks up the black cuff of the jacket, which, by the way, is a reversible jacket, 2-in-1. But these shoes are made out of plastic bottles, and you can put them in the washer and dryer. I love that the jacket is long, but not too long. Lightweight. All right, looking around, deciding what to do next. Oh, a hoodie. I mean, who doesn't love hoodies? And I paired them with these loafers that feel like slippers. They are so cushy, comfy, and it's a super easy look. Can't go wrong. That's it. I hope that this all makes sense. I didn't want to confuse it too much by adding jewelry or more accessories. I just kept on a simple pair of diamond studs and a diamond necklace, which is classic and many women wear as something that they wear all the time. There's other accessories like, you know, bags and glasses, eyewear, hats, scarves, but I didn't want to get into it. That wasn't the purpose of this video. I hope that you learned that one pair of pants can be dressed up or dressed down, just like jeans. But they're, I don't know, more comfortable than jeans, if that's even possible. I know favorite jeans can be like the best thing in the world, but this is just a nice alternative. So we don't always wear jeans. And they're also easy to care for. So yeah, let me know how you like this video, and if you want me to do more on outfits and how to dress up and dress down with the same article of clothing, but just used in a different way. And if you did like this video, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I read all of them, and they mean a lot to me, to let me know that I'm speaking out to people that actually hear what I'm saying. And I love doing these for you, so I'll be waiting to hear those comments. Please subscribe and push that notification bell so you will know when I have more videos on live. So that's it for now. God bless you. Bye-bye.